Hi there, I'm Brianna with WTI, and I want to show you my beautiful 15-inch laptop case from BAGSMART. So you have two zippered compartments with this beautiful quilted blush material. So here you can unzip it, and I love that it's got these gold accents. It looks really high end. So here, when you unzip it, is your main compartment for your laptop, and you have this beautiful fuzzy interior. It's really super soft, and it fits my 15-inch MacBook perfectly. Here we go. So it slides right in, and then you just zip it up. And here you have a pocket for your accessories. So what I keep in here is my MacBook charger and also my mouse, which fits perfectly. And I mean, you can see I still have space for other things. And then you zip it up. Super cute, super protected. It has a nice amount of cushion on it. And I mean, the pattern is just beautiful. It has this nice resistant material, doesn't get dirty easily, but if you need to clean it, it's very easy to just wipe it down with a wet rag. Overall, I am totally happy with this laptop case by BAGSMART. I think that you're gonna love this too. And that's my point of view.